We just concluded with a court session, and we noticed that the UPND have continued with their propaganda. First, we saw some write-ups by Coswell, and we all know that Coswell is an outfit of UPND run from State House, where they were trying to insinuate that I raised an issue that Comrade Sean Tembo may have misappropriated funds, which is not correct. Later on, they are alleging all kinds of things to try and scandalize myself and others. It's inconsequential, but in today's time, where even nonsense is believed by some gullible people, I thought it was important to comment on that. But what is even more foolish is the fact that the UPND have decided to sponsor their cadres and officials to go and report on straightforward matters. Report me at Bazabuka Police, and also I'm aware they're going to other police stations to try and dramatize my condemnation of the tribal politics advanced by UPND, particularly in areas where UPND is strong, among the southern province. The province I proudly come from, and I am a proud Tonga man, from a very, born from a very resourceful man, respected in the entire province and in the community where he was born. And therefore, today, I just want to refreshen the Zambian people. If from 2021, there has been by-elections in Southern Province. One in Katanda ward, where a PF candidate was brutally beaten by UPND cadres in full view of the police. And what they were saying was that eti chindi Jesu tatuko muzumiya kuteka mubona kupambora kuno kumusanza amana urankazi to participate in even a ward by-election. In a democratic society, that should not be tolerated. That is what is tribal. That is what is discriminatory. Not only in that ward, in Gwembe district, by-election in number 1, Chisanga by-election, in Lumbo by-election, in Jibuye, in Mbondo, in Chikankata, and Mala, in Namwala. The UPND stopped not only the Patriotic Front, but Socialist Party and others violently saying that this is a no-go area for the opposition. Also suggesting that the political parties like PF and others actually belong to other regions. And those statements and videos are there for everybody to Google. Me going to Petauke, telling the people of Petauke to say, even vichite kakuno, sivinga chitike Southern Province, with evidence. Among the videos that I can show is this one, in Katanda ward, where the UPND are hounding out a PF candidate from a nomination center in full view of the police. And you want us to keep quiet? When we condone this behavior, we are alleged to be tribal. This is nonsense. The tribalism of the UPND is as bad as the tribalism of any other region or political party or individual. If Misaka in the Extreme is being tribal, it deserves to be condemned. Any other political player or political party or tribe that is discriminating against others, they deserve to be, condemned. The greatest sin that I seem to have committed to our colleagues is that because I am Tonga myself, I'm not expected to point out the ills and wrongs of my brothers and sisters. I am not made like that. I have condemned use of patriotic front before. I have condemned use of MMD before. I condemned use of Mr. Sata and others who were in office before. And therefore, Mr. Nakacinda will not be an exception. His use will be condemned with the same vigor and with the same vigor and passion, so that this country can come back to the rail of one Zambia, one nation. And we stop this discrimination, planted discrimination. When people from Southern Province speak against others, they are tolerated. When people from Northwestern Province speak against others, they are tolerated. When those people who are spoken against respond and condemn that act, they are arrested and they are charged with either seditious practice or indeed, tribal or hate speech. That should not be, encouraged. Under UPND, there are two classes of human, citizens. There are citizens who are above the law, and there are citizens who they are searching for what they are going to say and twist it and try and suggest they have committed an offense. That society is not what we desire. We want a society where every citizen enjoys their rights and freedoms without any interference or infringement. Thank you very much and good afternoon.
Great. We just want to find out any takeaways from the special rapporteur.
Well, the takeaways from the special rapporteur is seen by the desperate attempt by the UPND to try and twist a narrative around her report. For us, it's not about what the UPND were trying to preach, including Mr. Nakacinda, claiming that human rights were abused under PS, and therefore now we are living in a Garden of Eden or in heaven. That's not a situation. Our mandate here was to come and examine the current status quo. And we have told the UPND, if there was anything wrong that was occasioned to the people of Zambia when we were in office, the people of Zambia gave us a judgment in 2021. Between 2021 and now, we have repented, we have reformed in terms of policy and approach to things. And that's how come we're going afresh towards 2026, having known that these are the issues that the people of Zambia don't like. It is them to face the judgment of the people of Zambia in 2026 in view of the violation of human rights, the Waimi issues, the kids from Karurushi, the arrest of political opponents from Patriotic Front, and the continued slapping on political opponents with cases like seditious practices and all that, all meant to gag us and stop us from providing checks and balances. During this season and dispensation, when we have a dictator in State House, it has to take men and women of courage to go against the wind blowing from UPND to try and silence everybody. This mouth will not be silenced. Even if the Mr. Nakacinda decides that I'm going to kill Nakacinda and cut me in 1,000 pieces, each piece will still speak for justice, truth, and make sure that this country moves in the right direction. Thank you very much.